Hey, so this morning I am not going to go to the gym because I've got to go to the salon today, get this hair trimmed. It's really dry, it's overdue. I'm excited for that, so it's fine. I went to the gym yesterday. It's been very nice, and usually by this time of the year it is like over 100. So this might be my last walk outside because by Thursday it's supposed to be 107 and by Friday 111. I don't know what the morning temperatures will be like, but we'll find out. We'll see. So, as you can see, it's time to get my hair done. I think I went a little longer than usual for my trim, so it's feeling super dead and dry. But also, I have been coloring my own roots, and I don't know if it's true or not, but it just feels like the products that they use at the store, at the salon, are better. So I'm going to get my hair done professionally, which it's been too long, but I cannot wait. Let's go. Gotta get that hair colored. Woo. Had a gift card for Fleming's for like over a year. We're gonna finally go together and see how good it is. No, you're gonna be looking at me. You okay, honey? Yes.